My name is Dr. Aubree Jones. I am currently a visiting lecturer at Wellesley College outside of Boston, Massachusetts. I got my undergrad degree at Texas A&M University. I majored in marine biology, and then I did my PhD at the University of Rhode Island. And I study sensory biology in aquatic animals. So right now my work is mostly on fish, but I also have studied seal whiskers in the past as well. So I study how animals interact with their environment and then how they use that information to make decisions. So how they get information and then how they use it to make decisions. I love teaching and mentoring students. I love the time that I spend in the classroom teaching students and helping them learn. And I also love the time that we spend outside of the classroom getting to know them, helping them move through their own careers, and also getting to learn research in my lab as well. Those are definitely the best parts of my job, is getting to build the relationships with the students. I originally grew up very far from the ocean in Tulsa, Oklahoma, but I grew up fishing. We have many lakes, many freshwater lakes. So I don't only study marine organisms, I study freshwater fish like this brook trout as well, which is where I kind of fell in love with aquatic life. But over time, I wanted to broaden my horizons, which is why I studied marine biology. And I became fascinated with how animals work, basically. So I became fascinated by what we call anatomy and morphology, which is basically why animals look the way that they do. And I find the underwater world such a fascinating place to ask those kind of questions. And so that was kind of the trajectory of just becoming interested in fish and things growing up fishing with like my dad, and then kind of wanting to know more about their behavior. And then that kind of led me onto the path that I am following now. My best advice is to probably talk to like anyone that you can find that does something that you're interested in. Like, don't be afraid to like send an email or call their office or something to try to just learn about what their day-to-day work looks like, because that can give you a really good idea of whether you think that would work for you and whether that's something you would want to do, because some jobs sound very glamorous, but their actual day-to-day like work is not nearly as fun as you might see on like Shark Week or something like that. So my best advice is just to try to talk to as many people as you can and learn about kind of what their life is like, and whether that seems like something that you would really be interested in. Because part of it is curiosity, but there is also like practical life decisions that you have to make.